1878, and another model of the same basic design with upper and lower case letters, shift key, and other improvements on model number 1, which printed only in capitals. Five years later, the Blickensderfer, a competitor of number 2, it illustrates the principle of typing by means of a type drum instead of separate bars. Cheaper to make, they were, however, slow and heavy in action. It's a bit of a jump to the next one on view. This has keyboard margin control, key trip lever for jammed keys, individual touch control and many other refinements. And now for the last word in typewriters, the first all-electric model. Attached to an ordinary lighting circuit, it consumes no more current than an ordinary radio set.